All right, well, I cut a little bit more of this band off of here. That's the piece off right behind the glass. Get me a little lower. I think that's what I needed. It's starting to shape up here, and you start to see where I'm going to be filling. We're going to be getting this out of the way. That's the old pinch for the glass, for the rubber on the old car, the old glass. What I'll end up doing is coming off here into this line. I will probably take this off of the other car so that it fits this better. I'm still going back and forth on the stinking window. It's killing me. It's killing me because it works. It's cool. It's just different, you know. I mean, it works good. Everything's still there. So what I was thinking about doing, I'm going to go ahead and chop right here. I'm going to chop this out of here and see what that looks like if I just leave this thin. Again, continuing this glass line all the way up and around and down to the bottom, you know. So it's all one continuous glass, but just it'll have this pillar in the middle of it. And then I would radius this corner for this glass to make it look like this radius for this glass. I don't know. You know, do you want it to look like completely clean, or do you want the wing window? That's where I'm at. Everybody else's that I've seen, it's all one piece, which that don't make no difference to me. I don't care what everybody else is doing, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna run this line into here, and as this comes up to get this line, it'll come right up off of here and up to here. Is kind of what that's gonna do. So this line will come around and kind of up a little, around, and then back down. Should look all right. That'll all fill all this in, make the body flow right there. Make that all fit. It's so close here. Not sure exactly. Don't know exactly how I'm gonna section all this up front yet. That's what I'm trying to decide, because I am so close here. So we'll see. We'll see. But the rear's coming together, and that's where the back's gonna fit in right there. That looks, you know, I mean, it's looking good. It don't look too stubby. It flows nice. So look at it from over here. I got so much junk in the way. The back looks good. You know, once you get the glass back in it, it'll look all right. It comes off the roof into the trunk. I like the look. It's got a big old mean look to it, kind of a brute. But that's where I'm at so far. So it'll be too awful long. I'll be starting to tack stuff and fill stuff back in and start sculpting. Fun. All right. That'll be about it for today. I kind of messed with my bead roller a little bit. It works good. Fun tools. All right. Later.